What's happening, YouTube friends? It's Richard, founder of Short-Term Rental University and Airbnb Superhost, and today we have the privilege of sitting here at the Caldera House on their outdoor balcony overlooking the mountain. That's Jackson Hole, man. That's where I ski every day in winter, and it's amazing. If you've never been here to ski, you owe it to yourself, and there's all sorts of terrific summer activities. So come to Jackson Hole, and if you can afford it, stay here at the Caldera House. What I wanted to share with you today is an answer to a question that I see in the Facebook group occasionally that seems to be a real problem, which is how do people get products to their short-term rental, whether it's remote or local? How do the cleaning ladies have access to the products? Where do you put things when people are staying as a guest? Like, how does this all work? Now, if you're a season host, maybe you can improve your storage facilities. If you haven't gotten started, maybe this solves some of those self-limiting restrictions that don't allow you to get started. But just realize this, in every one of my locations, I have what's known as an owner's closet. And generally speaking, it's exactly that. It's a closet or a pantry where I store all of the supplies that the cleaning teams need, whether it be linens, sheets, towels, etc., or more dishwasher detergent, more soap, more shampoo. But we keep a fully stocked owner's closet in each location that is locked. So the guests don't have access to it, they don't go in there, they don't mess around with it, and the cleaning team knows where everything is. It's nice and orderly, and at the same time, when something runs out, we restock it. Now, the easiest way that I have found are two ways to have the cleaning team be in charge of the supplies. First, they must be empowered and then trained that as they start to run out of a material or a supply that they need to inform me. And then what I do is I either order it via Amazon Prime to their location, or I empower them to go and buy the product at, say, a Walmart or a Kmart or somewhere that's reasonably priced, and then give me the receipt and submit it for reimbursement. But that's the way that I basically manage inventory, supply, cleaning supplies, extra linens and towels, and I lock it all up so it's nice and safe and secure, and then we just restock it. So we always have a fully organized owner's closet or pantry with extra supplies, extra linens, anything that you could think of, light bulbs, batteries, remote control would be something that's really good. I can't tell you how many misplaced or lost Apple TV remote controls, television remote controls. So it's a good idea to have an extra one and share with your maid that that's where it is. If she can't find it, then you take it out here and you put it right back just for the guest's convenience. They don't miss a beat. Now, it might sound really obvious, or maybe your light bulb just went on, but either way, think about creating a very safe environment so that your cleaning team is empowered to purchase materials, notify you when materials need to be reordered. They know where to stock them. The guests don't have any access to it, so they're not messing with it or confused. And just create a nice, safe place. It can be in the basement, it can be in the attic, it can be in the off the kitchen where a pantry would be. Realize that the guests that are coming to visit you, even if they stay for 3 days or 7 days or 10 days, they're not living there. They don't need as much closet space likely as your 1-bedroom, 3-bedroom, 5-bedroom house or apartment has. It's designed for you to live there 365 days a year, not 5. So you may think they need that closet in the bedroom. They probably don't, right? Don't do anything that ruins the guest experience, but just realize that they're using the property in a different way than the way that you have when you live there. And if you're living there and then renting it out when you're not there, say you go away on vacation, you go to Aunt Jean's wedding, whatever, then you can take your personal belongings, your items of value, your artwork, your sentimental pieces, the vase that you made out of clay, and you could put that in the owner's closet nice and safe too. So create your own space, put a lock on it, get a locksmith there, it doesn't cost a lot of money, and make it so that everybody knows where all the extra supplies are. You know it's locked up nice and safe, and then when you vacate it yourself, your personal belongings go there, and keep everything out of the way. No confusion, no mess, no harm, no foul. Life goes on, everybody's thrilled, right? Pretty straightforward. Comment below if you have any other suggestions, how you've made an owner's closet, what you keep in there, how you restock cleaning supplies for your cleaning team, so we can all benefit and grow. If you found this video helpful, and I hope you have, please like it and subscribe to the channel, friends. The best is yet to come. Thank you.